Hi everyone, this is Deanna, the Organized Miss, and I got some Happy Mail, and it's making me so happy to be able to open this. I got it yesterday, but I just wasn't feeling great yesterday, so I waited until today, and I just can't wait anymore. So I want to do an unboxing so I can start playing with it. So backstory, I saw it was on Carrie I Heart to Plant's story that she had shared. Kristen, oh gosh, now I can't even think of what it was. I had not been following her. I didn't even know she existed, but I followed right over. Carrie was sharing some of her posts and that she was selling off some planners, and I saw a color that caught my eye, and it caught my eye because it is a color I have been dreaming about. and every time I kind of looked for planners, I just wasn't seeing that color available, or it was sold out. And she had it listed, and I said, is that for available? And she took some pictures to show me that I would indeed be able to fit my weeks in there. And so actually my planner's in the other room in my purse because I'm getting ready to go somewhere. And I was like, we are not leaving until I can take this planner with me. So I'm just going to pull this out. So I asked her, and she showed me pictures of it with a Hobonichi in it and a sterling ink, which is, this is an N2. Now this is just a plain notebook that I got. I'm currently using the N2H horizontal. So I want to see if this would have, if this would, it would fit. And she said yes. She showed me the picture. I think one was like a compact and one might have been mega, so it looked like it fit just perfect in there. And oh, I'm so excited. And she sent it in the box. I have never owned a Gillio, but this planner is the color I want. There's a note in here for me, so hold on. Oh, okay, she sent me a whole lot of stickers, and they're sterling ink, which is my planner. Oh, that is so sweet, Kristen. Thank you so much. This really, I had mentioned to her that I was a little down yesterday. And so this couldn't have been more perfect. This couldn't have been more perfect. I am so excited. Well, maybe I should move this box. So excited. Look at the color. I have goosebumps. Can you see that? I don't know if you can. This color, I don't know. I found this color, this color, but not this color. This color speaks to me. Oh, look at that. Oh, ooh, and it feels, it's perfect. Like it has the perfect amount of like pebbling, but it's also not very textury. Like even this is a Moterm here. And it's pebbly, and I love it, but it has more texture. This one, oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, wow, you would think, I think she hasn't used it much. So, oh, it's so beautiful. I have never owned a Gillio, so, but I see now why people like them. First of all, can we talk about the color anymore? This is just so perfect for fall. I'm gonna have so much fun setting this up. Okay, I have to go run some errands out of town, but I'm going to turn the camera off right now, and then I'm gonna come back so it'll feel like no time has lapsed and do like a setup. I went to grab my purse just to show you. This was close to the color I wanted. I don't know how come, of all the bags, of all the browns, this is a purse that I got last fall, and I just love it. But this is the perfect brown. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you, Kristen. And through the magic of television, we're back. It's been a couple of days because I had a conference that I was at. And I'm now ready to transfer everything over. Just looking. They give us a fun little notebook and a sticker, which I am clearly going to have to put in something, but I am ready to move things over. This is what is this called? Asian Vintage. I do not think they are in business anymore. I purchased this pre-loved from Lauren at Lauren's Plans, and I think I've had it for maybe 2 years now. I'm not really sure, but I love it. But I have found my unicorn color. So we are actually, I just realized my sticker almost matches that. Isn't that? I think Kristen had mentioned this is called yellow. And if that's the case, no wonder I was never able to find this color, because I've been looking in all the shades of browns, you know. But this is apparently Gillio Appunto Yellow. Gillio Appunto Slim Yellow. Anyway, okay, first of all, before I get any further, I had put these beautiful, I got a note from Kristen that she sent, and oh my gosh, so generous. She sent me all of these stickers, Sterling ink, for my Sterling ink planner, I'm assuming. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. There are, I don't even know if you know how to tell what months these are. Oh, look, they're little date dots. Oh, they're beautiful. Days of the weeks. Oh, so beautiful. What are these? Squares? So, oh, so beautiful. Thank you, Kristen. We're going to sit here and look at them. Everything right here. What are these? Like washi strips. So beautiful. So beautiful. Now I just want to decorate with all the things. Oh. Okay, I see they're like scalloped. Now see, I didn't realize she had sticker kits for the N2s. I guess, what do I not know? Do I not know this? Oh, so beautiful. Happy Mail, yes. Oh my gosh, what are these? What are these? Isabel the Owl? I have never heard of Isabel the Owl. Okay, note to self, go look up Isabel the Owl. Oh, beautiful. Oh, these are so beautiful, Kristen. These are lovely. You did not have to do this, but I love them. Thank you so much. They're so pretty. Maybe we'll set our very next week up with these. Where can I set these in the meantime? Let's set them right here. Okay, so I'm going to transfer everything over. I don't know where I got sidetracked looking at stickers. Yes, so I had taken the cover off of this. I have been keeping this Hobonichi. It's a Hobonichi Weeks cover on it. But we're going to just put it in here. Okay, so these don't have strings, so let's see. We're gonna, how did I have them? Did I have it like this, maybe? And this one goes, I wonder why I didn't put it under that. Oh, because I put things in the pocket. Okay, well, and it just makes sense. If there's strings there, you're probably supposed to use the strings, right? Oh, look at that. It feels so good. Okay, let's move this over. That fits really. I'm not sure where these are going to go yet. It fits. Oh, wow, that feels so good. It looks so pretty. Okay, so now this is just a grid notebook, freely noted, that I use just for like my dump list and that kind of thing. I did order a Sterling ink grid notebook that well, I'm not going to put in there now because I was going to use it this next year, but I mean, to compare the size, I feel like they're probably about the same size. Yeah, they're probably about the same size. I'm going to finish using this year. Okay, beautiful. Now, what do I put here? I've never had, no, maybe I feel like I need to take this off. I made this stencil to be like, you know, like, so I could, let's find one here. So I could do, you know, like boxes and lines and make it look neat. But I don't use that. A lot of times I'm just in there, you know, making my own boxes, putting my Post-its notes down. But I like the concept of this, so maybe I'll put this over here for now. I have this Hobonichi Weeks that I just didn't use like I thought I was going to this year. There, we'll put it in there for now. Okay, so what are we going to put here? As you can see, I have not usually decorated my, oh wait, let's get everything out of the pockets to start with. Stamps and flags. And this is just an extra like little notebook that I had before I got this, and actually I have a couple of them that I use. And then this is like my list of goals and the way that I like set them up on a spreadsheet and everything and update them yearly. And I started doing this several years ago. And so when Catherine came out with the Sterling ink line common planner, she had this in here, which, because I keep it here, I was just like writing notes like what would I change or not, but I didn't write it here. I kept it on this because this works for me. Then I just go in the computer and I change things as needed. So, and I've always kind of kept that in the back. So I guess my point is, do I want to put it back here again? It doesn't really have the same, let's see, am I going there? Okay, yeah, that's good. And then I have this photo, which I just love. It was taken in 2018, shortly after I met. This is my friend Virginia, a Rosie the Riveter. And I started, you know, following her around to events and documenting her. And I mean, I still do, not as often. She's 99 now. So I just want to keep that on me. And this, I bought this from someone. It's a washi, you know, a thing you put washi around. But I just felt like it kind of protected my photo here. So that's kind of, where do I want to put it? Okay. I felt like that was that. This is a washi card that I could use. So now what I wonder is, how does this, I think it only goes this way, which is weird, isn't it? With the pocket. Well, I guess it makes sense. You could put your money or your, what do you call it? Receipts or something in there. I guess I'll put my, yeah. And my stamps, let's see, would I want to put them back in here? That's a pretty good sized pocket. Oh, maybe I could put them in here. That's a good idea. Always good to have some stamps on hand. There we go. That is probably all I'll put back there because, you know, gotta, oh wait, I do have this. So this is a fun little card that I made, and I just haven't decided if I was gonna like make it a physical product or, but it's just so cute. And it was based on a drawing that was made for me, gosh, let's see, well, I think I was 19 and I'm 50 now. So what is that, 31 years ago, on a napkin or a placemat or something at a sports bar that I worked at. And the fellow was drawing, you know, things on, you know, on those for me. And I thought, wouldn't that be fun to do something? So he made like cups and plates and forks and knives, and, you know, they all kind of came to life and had various quippy little sayings and stuff. And so I thought, well, I'll take that idea and make this. So they put their manicured fingers around me, he says, all hot and bothered. And the pencil says, well, I get to nestle snugly in their planner. And I just love that. So I just put a little thing on it. I just printed it on a cardstock. But I thought, you know, that's so cute. That's so fun. I'm not sure, like I said, do I want to make it a physical product? Would anybody else like something fun like that? Or just, you know, a digital? I don't know. So until then, I just kind of keep it to look at. Makes me happy. Okay, then because in the other planner, the front was showing, I had stickers on it, but I don't need to do that now. So do I want to put something there? This was just a piece of a bag that I laminated. Anyway, okay, I do need to have my pencil in here. My fancy pencil is just a zebra, what do we call it? I love it's like a 0.3. It's just perfect for me. And yeah, that's it. It's perfect. I love it. Like I said, it's my unicorn color, and I just love it. So thank you again, Kristen, for sending this to me. Well, you sold it to me, but you sent it so quickly. It was out in the mail like pronto. And all these lovely stickers. I just love it so much. And yeah, and I do love it. I love it so much. My fall planner. Anyway, thanks for joining me with you know, sharing in my excitement of my new planner. Anyway, thanks for joining, everybody. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.